Join me and learn how to change your Mini Cooper battery fast and easy. This tutorial will work on a 2008 to 2012 Mini Cooper. Let's start by removing this battery cover plate and set it aside. Next we'll remove the molding. Now grab a 10mm socket or wrench and remove the 2 bolts holding down the big plastic cover. And remove the cover by pulling up on the inner side towards the windshield. Then shift the entire piece of plastic towards the center of the car, all while lifting. Once all the plastic covers are removed, we will start the process of taking out the battery. First we undo our negative battery terminal and move it to the side. Then we remove the positive cable. This is the order you should always remove car batteries, negative first, then positive. Final step, use your 10mm socket or wrench to remove the battery hold down. Once your hold down is removed and set aside and your battery cables are out of the way, you can lift your old battery on out. Time for some fun. Let's put the new battery in, making sure that the negative and positive terminals on the correct side. Also make sure that the battery is sitting flush and secure on top of the battery holding plate. It shouldn't be wobbling at all. Put the positive battery terminal cover back on. Then put the cable on the battery. Now mount the negative cable onto the negative terminal. I will typically use some battery corrosion preventative, but I'm keeping this video short. There's a link to that in the description. Grab your battery clamp and install, making sure that the clamp is sitting over the lip on the bottom of your battery. Now take your 10mm socket and tighten down the battery hold down and both the cables. Close the cover on your positive battery terminal. And our final step is to put in this big plastic cover. The trick here is you need to line it up with the windshield, then push down along the windshield, latching it to the latch on the bottom of the windshield. Once that latch is in, you shift it over to the right, and then it will click into place. We're going to finish up the job by putting in the 2 bolts that hold the plastic down, and tighten those up. And then we're going to put the battery cover back on, and that's it. You have a fresh new battery. Hey, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my channel for more of these car related videos.